Look at Sujit now. He is fully affected by altitude sickness.
Gracias. Gracias, muchachos. Adiós. So we are at the bus stand, about to board the bus. And this is our bus. And this is my Inca lady, which I found in Machu Picchu. I'm taking her to Puno. Yeah. No, Sima, VIP. We just boarded the bus to Puno from Cusco, Cruz del Sur, and we have booked a seat in VIP cabin, which is on the lower floor of the bus, and top floor is the general seating.
Los servicios higiénicos, los cuales solo deberán ser utilizados como urinario. Si usted cuenta con alguna u otra necesidad, sírvase a comunicármelo para coordinar la parada y con servicio higiénico adecuado. Estimados pasajeros, en breves minutos estaré ofreciendo el servicio de refrigerio. Sírvase por favor a colocar
is our bus, guys, inside. See how good the seats are. You can see you have leg rest, arm rest, and a very good seat, very comfortable coffee seats. This is the VIP cabin. And this is how our bus looks like from outside. We have stopped somewhere in the middle of our journey to Puno. So I don't know which place it is, but it's very beautiful. You can see the view. You can see the view here. How beautiful it is. There are few of them. So we are just hopping into the bus.
De sus pertenencias. Esperar que Luz se haya detenido completamente para poder pararse y desembarcar. Asimismo le pedimos dejar en sus asientos manta y almohada que fueron encontradas al inicio de su viaje. Cruz del Sur y su tripulación agradece su preferencia.
Hi guys, so we are now in Puno. As usual, we checked into our Airbnb and just going to a quick tour. You guys might be bored with the Airbnb, but this may be a nice Airbnb in Puno, which is very near to the lake Titicaca, which is one of world's largest lake. Okay, we are currently at 15,000 feet above sea level. So this is the main entrance. So that was the main entrance from, and this is the bedroom. This is the bed what we will be sleeping, and here we have some small table for eating something and all. And there is a beautiful kitchen. You can see how beautiful they have done the kitchen. Wow. And there's a good refrigerator also. Yes, good one. And yes, we have plates here. Everything in the top. Glasses, vessel, we have some water, wine. Oh, that's a good one. And some vessel to cook something, rice or dal, whatever you want. Some nice decoration. And this is the bathroom. Quite a simple one, but I like it. So this is the shower area. This is myself. Oh, here is the toilet. They are given soap, shampoo, and good towel. Okay. And this is another bedroom, guys. So we have 2 bedrooms. 4 people can sleep it. Fortunately, we are only 2. So to see the view, what is the view from here? They kept a good umbrella, 2 umbrella over here. That's a good sign. Wow. I don't know whether you can see lake from here, but pretty much I can see some part of the lake. Yes. I hope you guys can see some part of the lake. So there's a nice church over there. So this is how it is. Not a good view, but okay, the lake is nearby. The tour of our Airbnb in Puno. So I'll come back to you. We just came here. So now we are acclimatized for the area, for the high altitude, since we are in Cusco and we came through bus from there to here. And okay, so I'll come back. We'll just freshen up and I'll come back to you guys. Okay.
Look at Sujit now. He is fully affected by altitude sickness. He vomited and he didn't eat anything, and he was lying down as soon as he entered the room. Look at his eyes, his condition. Feeling pity for him. I don't know how to help him to overcome this altitude sickness. He is fully tired. Look at Sujit. He is not yet recovered fully. Today morning also he vomited. So we took tablets for the altitude sickness. So hope today he will recover soon. So guys, altitude sickness is really a serious thing. You have to be careful when you travel to high altitudes.
This is the first day morning in Pune, guys. So yesterday I couldn't vlog. I'm sorry about that. We are severely hit by altitude sickness. I was vomiting like anything yesterday. I slept at 6 o'clock, I think, in the evening, and got up in morning at 9 o'clock. And at morning also I vomited because of the high altitude sickness. So now we didn't eat anything from yesterday morning. I thought to go out after coming here, but altitude sickness, it was hit. We were hit by severely. So I'm just going out to find something to buy so that we can prepare something. We'll see. Even now I'm not okay, but still hoping to the best.
O más grande.
No, so,
¿Está bien?
más pequeño.
Más pequeñito no, más grandecito.
No. So okay now. Finally I got some surprise from the shop behind me here. It is just in the corner. Hola. So it is just in the corner. I don't know if you guys can hear my voice, but I'm totally down. So my voice is not proper. Let Titikaka hope we can go in that. I don't know, tomorrow we need to leave for La Paz, and I haven't booked the ticket yet. So yeah, finger crossed everything will be okay. And now we have got some oil, so I can prepare some tamarind rice and boil eggs, so that it's almost more than 24 hours I haven't eaten anything. It's still feeling dizzy. Hopefully by 1 or 2 hours again I'll be okay.